Good writing is one of the defining traits of a great technical writer. But let's unpack that a bit, because there's writing and then there's technical writing. Hi, I'm Diane Payton. Welcome to Technical Writing Uncensored. I've been a technical writer, mostly in software, mostly in leadership roles for around 15 years. I've been around the block, got the scars and the stories to tell. So let's talk about technical writing. There are two main paths people take to get into this field. Path one, you get a degree in writing or technical writing. You know that you want to get into this field. It is intentional. Path two, you start with computer science or a similar background, maybe take a few writing classes, and then usually you kind of fall sideways into technical writing. This often happens by accident. I took the first path, got a master's degree in writing with a professional and technical writing focus. I also studied book editing and technical editing. That education opened doors and gave me a solid foundation in writing and editing to build my career on. But let's say you don't want to go back to school for 2 or 3 years. Here's how to build that foundation from where you are now. If you're already working as a developer, support specialist, or engineer, just start writing documentation. Internal, external, doesn't matter. Just start writing. Maybe oversee the internal run book for your team, or start editing Jira tickets. If your company has tech writers, they'll be delighted that you want to help, and they'll probably be happy to coach you because, let's be honest, the better you write, the easier it is for us to edit. If you're not in that kind of role yet, but you've got technical skills, find an open source project that needs documentation. Lots of them do, whether it's fixing typos or writing things from scratch. Now, quick caveat. Open source maintainers often don't have time to mentor folks who need a lot of handholding. Some projects have low-hanging fruit, like grammar edits and clarifying steps, and that can still be valuable and start getting you skills like working with Git, working with developers, and gaining expertise by working on the actual documentation for a software project. By the way, if you know of an open source project that's friendly to new technical writers, drop it in the comments. Let's build a list. Another option, join a tech forum or Discord or Slack community. Start answering questions in your niche. You'll learn fast what explanations land and which ones don't. If all of that sounds intimidating and you don't have deep technical knowledge yet, just start a blog. Write whatever you want. A few examples: how to record a screen, how to take a screenshot, book or tutorial reviews, recaps of courses you've taken, or software walkthroughs. The goal isn't perfection, it's momentum. Just start writing. Practice brings skill. Also, get familiar with common style guides. My favorites are the Google Developer Documentation Style Guide and Microsoft Manual of Style. But they're linked in the description. They're not sponsors, but I just like them. So, learn the rules and try applying them to your writing. If you put in the time and effort, you'll build your skills and a portfolio to prove it. A blog is especially useful because it comes with a link built in. No matter what role you end up in, the ability to write clearly and effectively is one of the most valuable skills you can develop. Thanks for watching Technical Writing Uncensored. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if this helped you out. That's it for this episode. Thanks for hanging out with me. Until next time, peace out.